Nice song.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice.
Hello guys, this is 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘 here. Today, right after meeting a client, and I'm KL, so why not just spend the rest of my time try to explore KL here, Bukit Bintang or Petaling Street, and try to record video and shoot photos, street photos by using this Nikon D780. So let's see how it works, because as we all know, if you are using DSLR to record video, you'll hear the frequent focusing sound of the lens right inside. I don't know how it turns out, but let's see how the final result. So these are all the organic sound that you hear straight from the camera. And have a look of this place. So right now I'm heading to the Petaling Street first. Hey, thank you. I'm now using the autofocus, full focus, so you auto adjust accordingly to the people or sound. And you can hear it's pretty loud because I don't use any mic, just the built-in mic. So let's see how it performs later. These are the sound of percussion right inside me. It's pretty loud. Now let's go. Oh yeah, okay. I would like to share something more about this place where, let me take some photo first. This is cool. Matahari, cantik. Okay, ready? Wait, one more. Hey, just done the shots for the random stranger that I saw. Just say hi and take some photos and let me know what do you think about the quality of this photo. Shooting through D780. Right now, let's check out the temple first. Be careful with the cars. Here we go. This is a 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘. So this temple is a very famous place where people come and pray, and then I'm here to take photo and praying as well. So there's a lot of incenses. So here is one shot here. Let me try to point focus. There you go. And because of incense stick, you can have all this film to take some creative shots. Let me try to find another angle. Same angle. You can see people say, in Chinese we call pray for 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's pray for blessing lah. This is how it looks like in the temple. I just noticed that I accidentally increased the exposure to +1, so the scene just now will be very bright, too bright. And you can see people praying. So the good thing about DSLR is like you can take photos and video at the same time. So, and I'm not sure what happened where people are just crawling down through under the table. As you can see, I'm not sure what's the tradition. They've been making circle around here. Oh, there's even a guidance. You need to do this 3 times for a blessing. That's what the auntie did. It won't be easy for elderly. That's interesting. You can see the autofocus is pretty drastic. So sometimes you want to use manual focus. Like when you come back to the detail, you can see everything here. But when I go through this tiny space, I need to go through like that. Right until here, then only it will become like that. Autofocus again, and when I come here, it will autofocus at front. So which means the autofocus will be focused things that are front here at the side. One more time. You can see people praying. There you go. Once the side is out of the focus area, and it auto focus on the people. When you come back here, you auto focus the foreground Yes, this is how it works. People will focus on praying for good health. Oh, 电话响了。
會有靜地，呢度講唔係嘅，奇怪。
Alright guys, so there's one fun thing where you would like to do where you're in this temple and you want to do a donation, which I usually do when I visit one and I feel like I'm doing it. So that's the donation chamber. So when you donate some money, it gives a good message like praying for you like 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘𝗖𝗥𝗕𝗘, like good healthy and blessing with good life. So now it's my turn to like just put money into the mouth of dragon. There you go. That's the sound of blessing. So now even praying also need to have something fun for you to enjoy so that you are more prone to donate money to the temple. So pray for good luck to you guys as well who are watching this video. Now, so let's go to the next location. It's pretty heavy by recording video by just using this DSLR. But let's see how it turns out with the autofocus. That the hybrid version is available on the Z series and now on the D780. So now let's go, next station. So just now I was using the 24-70 f2.8 lens to photograph and video, and now because I want to have an overall and wider shots of this place, this temple, here comes the 14-24 wide lens, ultra wide. And this is the view that you can get from the video, where if you have gimbal or handheld, you can just go straight all the way in. Hopefully there's no strangers that interrupt your shots. And just go all the way in. Oops. There you go. So right here I'm using pinpoint focusing, where now I'm pointing at the sculpture, and then I'll just tap on my screen to focus on uncle who are flipping and packing all these praying materials right here. So when I shoot video, it's like all these things are made by the man here. That's the behind the scene. So as you can see, the main door here is not perfectly aligned with the building inside. So if you are a perfectionist like me, you won't want to include it in the frame. So just include the front part of this place, just like this. Or even you can zoom in so you can remove the distraction and perhaps capture some strangers that just happen to walk out or walk in to the temple. Alright, let's go to the next location. Here is the Chinese temple and the other one will be the Indian temple. Let's check it out and see. Hot, it's too hot here. Because right now it's actually 12:30. When you see there's some certain stain on your lens, remember to use the lens block to wipe your lens. And before we go to the Indian temple, let's go to the restaurant here. There's some interesting shot that I can do here. Hi, picture. Gambar cantik. Another one good thing where you want to do street photography is to come to a place where it's a place that's full of tourists, so that when you take photo of people, they will be less reluctant to let you take, because that's how it works. And check out the crowd here. I like to explore street like this because this is how you see people hang out or interact. The older people will be at this kopitiam, Anle, relax, and this very cool uncle. Uncle 可以帮你拍一张照吗？你很帅，戴住眼镜。OK， 来这里。Okay, one more here. Let me switch. So just like that, you approach another guy who just sitting there looking cool, and you think that it's very cool to take photos. Just approach and ask for their permission. This uncle is eating something, so try not to disturb. They're selling veggie and meat. So apparently this is the wet market. There you go. See how the performance at low light. I'm using the P mode to record video right here, right now. And the current ISO is around 20,000 right here, right now. It's very dark. And I saw a very photogenic person right in front. If only she allowed me to take photos. So you can buy meat here. Hello. That's a perfect model. And here as well.
我問你啦，我朋友嚟買嘅啫喎。氣咧，頭頭咧，你就起勢睇唔係呢個你
Actually, now is sort of like part of the high risk season of coronavirus in Malaysia. So I just realized that I should have avoided this wet market all sort of time, or even must at least wear a mask. But anyhow, finger crossed. Just make sure you keep your body immunity strong, so that the virus won't be so fast to able to attack your immune system and make you fall into this kind of coronavirus that cannot be cured yet. So the best thing to do is just prevention. It's still prevention. So make sure you wear masks and wear it at the right way and choose the right mask. 3-ply surgical mask is enough because you don't need the N95 yet. But do get a stock, at least 25 to keep it, so that you can use it when you really need it. Like right now, you can see like only 2 out of 10 people are wearing masks in this crowd. But there's less people right here right now. So with the super wide lens, you can have a total wide view of all this place. There you go. Called the 𝗟𝗏𝗕𝗖𝗥𝗑𝗕𝗘. Okay, I think I'm going to do some donation again. Because I like music and I like where people making money by using their own talent. Actually, you got 3 of them, they are quite nice. Let's go. Nice song.
Thank you.
Okay, right now I think I want to change to another lens so that I can take a proper portrait of people around here. Right in the middle of Petaling Street. That's right. Together with the music here. Now back to the 20-70 lens so that I can take better portrait with better bokeh and 2.8. I'm the 3% right in front of me. The artist, music artist right here. So ready? So you can see a softer effect at the background.